morning, guys. I'm sorry the delay. I'm here. I'm streaming as always. Love streaming as always. TP right away 60 ticks. Stop loss I wanted to say. TP 61. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. So I have to see what are the. We're still flying all-time highs there. We're pushing a little bit, so I might use the 41 MEA as a first trade of the day. Yeah? Might use this MEA right away as a first trade. I need to share my live stream. How are you guys? Everything's good. Life is good. I hope everything is running correctly, guys, in your side. Let me now share a live stream. How is everyone doing? I might take this long here on the 41 MEA. Hello, Bogdan. I just saw your comment. Hello, Mufti. I just saw your comment in. I think I replied to you, Bogdan. Is it Bogdan Bogeum in Discord? No, that's maybe not you. How are you guys? How are you, Mufti? How are you, Bogdan? How are you guys? I hope you had a nice weekend. Not yet. I was not you then. Okay, freaking hell. Not yet. You will join soon then. Good luck. Good luck to you, Andy, Fayad. Good luck, everyone. I'm might take a quick trade here on this 41 MEA that is much faster. As we are pushing very strongly. The first pullback and a first push, I might take it to get to the long, guys. To get to the long. Let's hopefully get one trade positive. Last week, guys, we were running so well, and we took 3 consecutive green trades and we took 3 consecutive losing trades. It is what it is, right? It's life. It's what it is. We just take it and we move on. But I have to check if everything is correctly working. My copier is working correctly. Yes. What else I have to check is I have to check. I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. Okay, we're coming to a little bit of resistance, but if we pull back here, how much do you risk per trade? $300, $350, depending on how many points the candles are. Usually it's around 320, 330 as an average, I would say. Sometimes I can be less than 300, sometimes it's more than 300. It depends how big the free candles are. We might take a trade on the 41 MEA, guys. This only if it happens in the first 15 minutes, just because I like if we get a nice push at the beginning. Let's get to the, to the momentum on the first trade. We're pulling back. We might take a quick trade here from this start. Okay, now it's touching. Let's see if we get the free candles. 600 on a 300k account. Sorry, that's a good point. Yes, double sides on the on a 300k account. I have to admit that it's a bit more on the risky side than in the good side, in the safe side, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay, risking a bit more than usual. So for example, you see here, it's 300. I'm risking right now there. If we get it. Now I'm risking a bit more than 300 if it gets me. If it gets me in, I will risk around 320, 30, I think. I'm long. Let's see if the first time I'm using the 41 AM in the first 15 minutes is gonna screw me or is gonna please me with a green trade. Hopefully, yes. And right now it's pulling back. Hopefully we can get a nice continuation higher here, guys. Come on, market. Come on. Continue pushing there. Nice break. Continue break this high, prior high. Let's get it. If it gets okay, I want to risk the 1% of the. Yeah, the only problem is that you don't have a really, well, that's what oh my god, man. I was in Twitter. I was gonna like punch someone in the face. This guy was like complaining about unrolling Apex, and he was like, how can you allow Apex with a rule that does not make you break like the 1% of the account? I'm like, man, you have to check at the drawdown. You have to only check at the drawdown. 50k is just a 50k, 300k, 250k, 150k are bullshit numbers. The only thing you have to care is about how much drawdown I have on these accounts that it allows me to trade. That's the only things you care. That's where you evaluate your risk. I like to risk around 10% right now, 10, 12% of the drawdown, a bit more right now, 12, 13%, because of the fact that it's funded account and it's not my personal money. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed. Come on, market. Push. No, it doesn't want. No, it's gonna stop me. That's like it's coming very nicely down. Okay. First time that I take it from the 41 MA and first time I get destroyed by it. Okay, stop me out, and then we are stopped out. Was 370, more than I would. Usually I take it from this NMA, but this time I wanted to take it from this one as this market was coming fast to the upside. Nice retest area, but as always, it's not what we want. Sometimes it does happen, sometimes it doesn't happen. We're getting a lot of red trades in the last period, unfortunately. We keep back so much drawdown in the last period. What a piece of crap. So now I'm gonna hide this one because I'm not gonna take any more trade from it. My colleague came out with me with this strategy, and August was amazing. September was nice, to be honest. September, until a few days ago, September was going so well. We were skyrocketing. We were going so well until 3 days ago, and then now we got 4 consecutive trades. I mean, this one is a bit outside the strategy because I'm doing a little switch on it, but what the heck? And we might already get a trade here if this is free green candles, guys. Okay. For example, in this case, we're losing maximum 300. That's for sure. If this candle turns green, looks like that. It's gonna fill me. Right now we're long, and let's see if I'm gonna get screwed again, guys. Another time. Get me screwed. Let me see, fly away. Let me get the tree. I'm waiting for on 1 minute because wait, Bogdan, because you do it on the 1 minute chart, right? Yes, let me know how it goes, Bogdan. I'm curious, to be honest. It does look good, this one at least. Be better than the previous one. Ah, shit. Here we go again. Okay. Almost there. Come on, this is a candle reverse and we get our green trade. So at least we can break this trade of red trades. That's the only things we want. We're gonna take back some loss of the first trade. Okay, it doesn't want. Yes, it's still pushing, so I still feel comfortable with this trade. Yes, it's really pushing. This thing is gonna turn the other side. Yeah, that's good. Nice first trade. No, I wish it was the first trade. We're down 1,495, $67. Good. Got in NQ as well. I'm gonna move to the 1 minute chart. Data is loading. What did I do here? I wanted to check your 1 minute chart. And now nothing works. Come on. I don't know, sometimes quant hour it sucks. Good job, Reddy. Yeah, man. I took this one. I got freaking destroyed. And now let's see how it goes with this. Ah, my God. First trade. sucks. It sucks. It sucks that this bit was very interesting for just a quick retesting continuation. It did happen a little bit, came back. This piece of crap, guys. This piece of crap. Man, the 41 here, the 41 did not work, and so annoying because the 41 it works very well in the first 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I don't want to take it after 15 minutes, so I'm gonna keep doing that. It was there as well before, but I never used it. I usually just do this: hide it, don't hide it, hide it, don't hide it, hide it, don't hide it. That's annoying, but it's okay. It is what it is, my friend. It is what it is. At least we are 1-to-1. It's gonna be interesting if the next trade here is gonna be red, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see if the next one is gonna be green on this. That will hurt me mentally. No. But it sucks. It sucks. It sucks. It is what it is. It sucks. You know, because when you take a negative trade, it's not that you are, it's like, no, when you take a negative trade that you should not take, but this case because I decided to change it. I decided to make a little bit switch. 41 on the first 15 minutes when we have high volatility, and after 15 minutes and after the first trade, I moved to the 100. That's my idea. I believe it's a good idea, so I'm gonna keep it going for the next weeks. First 15 minutes or first 15 minutes or first trade if it happens the first 50 minutes. So for example, first 5 minutes is here and then the second trade happens, I'm not gonna take it on the 41 anymore. I'm gonna take it in the 100. Good job for Bogdan that is long. I hope you're still in the trade. It's looking good. Ah, shit. That's are the worst. It took you out and it's like, oh, okay, yeah, go to take profit without you. It's okay. You keep doing what you're doing. Into the next. Bravo. This is one trade. One trade does not change anything. Just take it, move on. So you take it, you move on. Tell us about psychology. What do you want to know about psychology? Go, tell me, ask me a question. We need rant of Hamza. you need when I get angry with you guys, when I get angry with you that you break your rules. And I get angry with you. I'll wait to see if you get another opportunity in yes, and on NQ, if you take a loss, I need to pull back to EMEA, and after I can go for another trade. If not, that's okay. Yeah, that's good. Follow your strategy, brother. That's the only things we can do, right? Follow your strategy, keep trading. That's the only things we can do, right? Tomorrow we maybe get a green trade, another trade. Tomorrow we take maybe a green trade and a green trade, and I'm like, oh yes, let's freaking go. Life is good. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, guys. When I go in profit, I want to close the trade. When I got profit, I want to close the trade. When I go in profit, I want to close the trade. So you are in profit. You enter here. You have your stop loss here. And you have your take profit here. When it goes to stop, you don't move your stop loss, or at least you hope it doesn't hit, and you keep trading. When it goes like little bit in profit, you're thinking, I don't want this to come back. It's better if I close it. So why are you putting different weight to this side and a different type of weight in this side? So the two sides are the same things. On a statistic base, the two sides are the same things. On a statistic run, the things that a take profit will happen is, and the take profit or the stop loss will hit, is the same things. The only things that make you think the stop loss is, the only things that make you hope here and fear above is just your emotions. You're just too weak, too undisciplined. It's time for you to really understand that both things are the same on a strategy base. If your strategy base is telling you, don't let your trade until take profit is hit, or let your trade until stop loss hit, you let the shit hit. I don't give a shit if it's one tick. Keep that discipline until your take profit gets hit. Every time you break your take profit and rule, you're changing the outcome of your long-term strategy. You take out less profit today, you take out less profit tomorrow, you take out less profit tomorrow, you take out less profit next day. What happened is that your profit is not enough to compensate your losses every time you take them full. If instead of taking 10 points profit every time, you take 7, 6, 5, and your stop loss, you always take 10 stop loss, 10 stop loss, in the long run, your profit is not going to manage to outrun your losses. So you're cutting yourself out. So you already know I use WealthChart. Man, these last couple of days, things has been pretty bad experience. I'm most even questioning my computer. It's glitching a lot. What is glitching, my friend? What's the issue? If you can share in Discord as well, and I will check with you. I got stopped out in pre-market Discord. Let me see. I know WealthChart, they have improved a lot as well, the fields. That hurts. That hurts, Mufti. That hurts. You went long. You even gave yourself freaking hundreds of... No, 20 points. No, that's 20 points. And then you got stopped out and you ran in profit. And the next trade you closed in profit, luckily. I put in a buy limit order of 20. If 10 ones, it's under, it will do 20. Can you do a screen, if it happens to, can you do a screen record of what you do? I would be happy to check. And you send it to Discord. It won't let me minimize and maximize the different charts sometimes. That one you can send me, I will check as well that one. So I have to understand what you do to understand if what I can give you advices of which mistakes. I stains with Hamza. Yeah, oh, the desktop. They have a desktop? I never realized they had a desktop app. I always use the web app for WealthChart. You want to close the trade because you want to be right and have the instant gratification of Payouts. That's true as well. The instant gratification of closing and being profit. But after you close in profit and you see it going to your TP, oh my God, that hurts. I don't know how to drink water. Freaking hell! Oh my god. Question answer. Do you think fixed targets are better than rough targets that you can't depart as the market changes? So I do believe the second one are better. To be honest, I do believe the second one are better. I do believe that. I do believe target based on chart or price action are better. It's just a matter of mental strength of being able to keep doing that, I believe. Let's think about let's think about you entering a trade here. Like for example, you say you enter here, the rough target will be here, and you will be like, okay, stop loss here, it's not worth it. You're risking 3 to make 1. You don't even take the trade. You enter here, the target will be the highs, or at least a few ticks lower if you just want to avoid like double top things. Your risk reward is more than 1 to 1. I see what you're pointing. That's like sentence. But that becomes really discretionary a lot. Then you have really to have good mental strength of reading the market. I have experience on deciding where to put your take profit in each time. Not easy, I would say. For a discretionary person, for someone that wants to trade like that, yeah, discretionary. Why discretionary? I said wrongly spelled. But yeah, it becomes very hard to follow. I do believe it's better, and you will be, I think, more profitable than one that has mostly mechanical. Yeah. I might close it soon, guys, the live, because I'm done with the trades, huh? So, like I always told you, as much as I like to be in YouTube, I like to be done with my day and enjoy the rest of my life. I will be in Italy next week. Same goes for you. You get into long and bull trend, but comes into a hard resist before target. The market just low and clear. Yeah, that one I do description in that case. All right. Yeah, that one I do description in a way that if I see there is resistance, I might don't take the trade. Here I was like, okay, it's looking maybe there's a little bit of support. I mean, we're in freaking all-time high, so that's very hard to say as well. But went long here, got smashed. Go long here, I have space until the next highs of the day. So there is space for this market to go long and reach the next high. So this give me a better trade than this one. At least on that side is a decision on matter of taking it or not taking it. I don't know if you are in crypto, guys, but crypto last night went so shit. And I went to sleep and I was thinking to sell them, and I did not. And I woke up with minus 16%. I struggle with trading stops. I've seen data that show they outperform, but it's rough watching a plus period that comes back to 1 plus 1. Yeah, that's a shit show. To be honest, when you think about that, let's say, for example, I'm thinking about, can you use this strategy using trailing? Can this strategy go trailing? If I got here, I move it to stop loss to break even, and I got stopped out and goes to TP, that sucks. Getting to stop loss and break even here, it will make sense. You're rejecting highs of the day. That's a good thing. You can just use higher lows. That's good point. This one, for example, higher low. It's very little, but it's there. Freaking, that's a very good point, by the way. This one here, this one here, this one did not make a higher low. It might take profit, but this is a higher low. This was a higher low. Reduce my loss. Yeah, but if I'm trading on this time frame, then I would say I will keep, if I use the range bar here as an entry and stop loss, yes, I will use the same things. The price went above, pulled back, went higher. Yeah, but it's very as well tiny, the time frame of my trades. I entered long at 42.23. I got out 45.19. That was a 2 minutes, last 2 minutes and a half trade. So I cannot have bigger, higher low than this kind of strategy. But the idea of moving it to, that's a very good idea, to be honest. That's a very good idea. Let me load the 5 days. I want to check the previous trades where I got stopped out. I'm curious. Now that you told me that, I have time, so go and figure it out. Here. Here I went long. It came back. It did not really push above this one. It pushed here. I want to get it stopped out here. Okay. Little bit of a change. Here I went long. Nothing. Here I got destroyed in this trend today. That day won't not trade that much. Here I went short. For this case, I went short. Pushed a little bit, made a red candle, pushed again. I would probably use this one as a quick higher low. That would have been a kind of break-even trade. That's a break-even trade. Let's go to the winning trade. Protecting your loss side is important, so I agree on that. Things of checking. Can you hold for big moves? That's a good point too as well, that one. Let's see if I can find first the previous trade here where I won. Went short. Red. Didn't make any high. For example, here I don't think I would have moved my stop loss, just because it didn't make any freaking touch or close to high here. First pullback, but wasn't a real. Yeah, that's hard to see. It's have to be back tested. But in this case, like you said here, gone long here. Lower, high, lower. Yeah, here. Yeah. And now I see what you mean by yeah, I see what you mean by that. Maybe I will get him probably get stopped out. Maybe pull. How the heck I would get me stopped out here? I don't know. I mean, being in a mini in these things with 46 points at a $1,000 trade. I wish. I wish, my friend. I wish. I wish, my friend. I wish. It has to be tested, but I get your point, by the way. I really get your point. Yeah, I see your point. I see your point on that. Gonna look into it. I like the idea as well of the trailing stop loss on a possible, you know, quick higher high, higher low, or lower high. I like the idea. If it does something like this, like for example, I take a trade here, and then it pushes, pull back, pushes, gets to the new high, then this is a valid higher low. So you move the stop loss lower, risking less, protecting your loss side, I guess. Good side, we're in break even today, kind of. How's your trading going, Nick? In general, how's your trading going? I know you had a struggle in the last period, you said. This market is gonna struggle with us forever. One day we will see at these moments in the past and laugh at these moments. Until then, they're laughing at us. This market is laughing at us. Until then, is laughing at us. Going well, making changes like that. I like that. To be less robotic. Okay. Yeah, I like that. These changes I've done as well. I like it, and I just need to do some little bit of changes as well. Like these things of you said, like trailing drawdown. I like that idea. Like for example, here was a good trailing drawdown, making it pushed to a new high here. This little pullback was a nice idea. That was very good. The guy is a fun guy. Nothing to say about him. He has experience in trading and emotions wise. He blew up many times, so he knows what he's speaking about when he speaks about emotions and stuff and strategy. Is he profitable? Because as well he makes so much money from other stuff, and he's not worried about blowing accounts. Maybe yes, but as well, I cannot say. I cannot speak bad about people that make money from trading, because I wish I was in their position. By the way, today the Patrick Live I think it was fun as well, because there is a competition of two girls trading. Yeah, even more than 1 million per month. Even more right now, I believe. Even more. It makes more than that, I think, right now. That's yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. He makes so much money, man. So much freaking money. So the competition is who loses less money. Yeah, I agree with that. Making it simpler, the better it is. I agree. You know who someone will say that? Our old active trader society. He will say something like that. If it's short it. If it's bull it. It's bull it. Yeah, that's it. I agree with that, to be honest. If the market is pushing, just push with the market. If the market's shorting, short with the market. Fake it until you make it. It was mad. I mean, and unfortunately, guys, I mean, I'm a good soul, so I cannot fake it. But I will make it. I mean, hey, guys, if someone tells me, you know, how was your year? I still say, look, I have not lost money in trading this year. I worked, I have my full-time job, and my trading did not make me lose money. Look, I'm top 5%, top 6%. I'm already good. I'm already happy by that. I'm already up top 6% because thanks to my risk management. To be honest, when I think about that, because every time we think about the negative side, I didn't make money. Wait. Hamza, you didn't lose money this year. So be proud of yourself. Be happy with what you achieved this year. You're in the top 6% or 5% of the traders. Just take it as a win this year and keep improving to the other side. I will say that is one thing sometimes we forget is that we are the first people that we how do you say it? Negative things to ourselves. We're the first people. We're the first one that criticize yourself. So many times where there is the syndrome of imposter, right? The syndrome of imposter, that is the syndrome of the fact that you're the one that push yourself down. So that does not believe in you. That does not believe you're doing the right job. So it's I believe that's many things. Many times we have to remember that we are good for what we're achieved. We're already doing better than most of the people. OnlyFans top 5%. Top 1% in my heart. Make it top 0.01%. Let's say, for example, if I waited for this trade, would have taken the green trade again. Let's see. Ah la la. I mean, Patrick Wieland is intelligent. People that say he's stupid, guys, this guy is freaking smart. He does more than $1 million a month. More than $1 million. He makes probably 1.5 just from affiliates, marketing stuff, bullshit things. Yeah, a lot. It just makes a lot of money just from that. Plus the fact of he triggers people emotionally. He insults them. He say Tory trades doesn't know how to trade. He gets his engagement. He brings two girls in a live stream to trade against each other for $25,000 win. Yeah, I mean, we can say anything, but this guy is a genius on social stuff. Look, to be honest, streaming is great. It's just consistency in streaming. It's a pain in the ass. You have to be there for every day. And look, I'm not that fun guy. I'm not that incredible streamer that people follow. I have 10 people watching me right now. I was at 19. But if you are someone that like, for example, let's say Alpine live streaming, that guy is boring as hell. You can tell me what you want, but that guy is boring. But one thing is that he has many payouts, so people like to watch him, even if he does not. Oh my god, he does not even show his trades, but people still watch such a boring live. But he has a lot of payouts by his strategy and stuff, whatever. Not by figures. I cannot tell you exactly, but I would say it's a good bonus at the end of the month. I would say. Alpine is also prick. I also can't live off true. He's also a prick. He says he can't 200k a year. He cannot live. Yeah, he makes a lot from affiliate. Alpine makes a lot from affiliate. He makes a lot of money from affiliate. 100%. Probably he makes more money from affiliate than trading. 100%. I would say that. So I am not, unfortunately. If look, the moment you see that I'm making a lot of money, because you see me with a pool behind me streaming from somewhere. I'm in a room. There's no window in France. Imagine that. Oh, this is not a trade. Oh, they've not taken this. But being an influencer in trading environment, trading world, is definitely profitable on a way that each follower has more value than a streaming channel of cats or a fun channel. But at the same time, it's freaking hard. I will say that the amount of subscribers you need to make, in YouTube at least, to make your life change on a way that you make, I think, good profit, it's above 5,000 subscribers, I would say. Above. And they have to be active, more active. For example, my 2,300, there are not that many active. We are always the same people here. We're always the same people. Apart now, Bogdan, we got new Bogdan. Bogdan is in the team. But if you see in the chat here, I'm always the same people. Always the same, so... But someone that has 6,000 people watching in a live stream, my friend, that guy is making bank. Our little community here. We're always the same people. It's been a year, more than a year. We're always the same people. I'm totally fine with it. As much as, you know, I know that, for example, this channel, my channel, is that the moment I have consistent payout, I think it will blow up, because, you know, it's easy to make a beautiful video of like, I requested $10,000 from Apex. I requested $20,000 from Apex. Pom. People blow up. But yeah. No, you're new in the team, Bogdan. So I don't have that much. I think I have two problems. One, I think if I have a little bit of, I have what I preach here is the things that are real, you know. Follow your strategy, execute, don't bother yourself with the bullshit, blah 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 blah. You know, things that people don't want to hear, because when they hear about, man, you're not following your strategy, they feel attacked, they go away and they watch a stream of someone screaming, saying, "Oh, we're making the money, we're big money," and you get excited, you follow someone like that because it makes you happy. Then instead of being reminded that you suck at a discipline. But then another thing is I don't have a lot of payouts to prove that. Even if I'm profitable on a way that I'm transparent of saying that this is my payout, this is how much I spent. I'm positive on what I spent, of what I had, compared to other traders that don't even show it. I can tell you that 90% of the people online that show that they're profitable, they are not. I can confirm that. I cannot tell you, but I can confirm that. Oh no, wait, I cannot tell you, but I can confirm that. I cannot tell you who, but I can confirm that. You need a unity video for growth. The only setup you need. How to pass a challenge one side. But yeah, there was. Oh yeah, there was a girl. She how to be a trader in 2 minutes. There was a video like this. I believe. How to improve your day trading in 2 minutes. There is a video about that. Yeah, there's video that. Oh my god, this guy made a video 3 weeks ago. The only 2 indicators I used to make $2,100 day trading. How many? Oh my god, this guy made 500k view in that. What? Oh my god, this is crazy. This guy is. I'm gonna save this channel. I never seen this guy before. Absolutely insane. This guy made 500k views on a video where he said the only 2 indicators that you need. I'm absolutely. I wanted to say another things I miss. And you see, I don't have the word. It will make you laugh when you will hear what I meant. What is the freaking channel? I don't have. How do you say fantasy, inspiration, or like new ideas? This channel here. Let me share with you. I don't give a shit. This channel here. Okay, this guy made 500k views on a video where he said the only 2 indicators I used to make 2,000 day trading. What the freaking hell? And he said thank me later. What the heck? Nick, I don't know if you know about the story of 2 big YouTubers. Now they broke up. He's a gamer, he was a famous gamer. What he did, he put his girlfriend in the cam. He was making video with her, and he was the one playing close to her, but was not showing that. So he was the one playing. She was the one in the cam pretending she was playing and commenting what was happening. Aha, I killed him. Aha. But in reality, he was the one playing. The channel blew up, and when they got million subscribers, they show that. And yeah. So you can really put your girlfriend, Nick, as a face, saying stuff like, I went short here, I went long here for this reason, but it's your text. You don't have even to do live stream. You can make her videos about explanation of something, a subject. You just prepare the text, what she has to say, and read it, explain it. You make the slides, you make everything, and you put her. 99% of the traders are males. Males like to see female traders, and they will use your affiliate code of your girlfriend. It's true. Huh? I'm really not saying bullshit about that. Girls will have more reach. I have to show my boobs here. Okay, guys. The heck? Guys, I don't have boobs. So don't stay here if you're waiting for that. I'm not gonna be naked for you. I know Mufti the cat is waiting for that, but I will never be naked for you. One eye appears. Is disappointing. One eye appears with the first comment of the day, and it's like, oh, okay. It's not the right channel. I'm sorry, man. Shit, guys, I'm not gonna show you my boobs, so just forget about that. Just forget about that. Vladimir, yeah, I know that guy. That guy is a genius. To be honest, only the face, he looks like a girl, and then he does that thing of showing the muscle, and oh my god, that's amazing. I watched that videos. I watched that video of that guy. That is so funny. That is funny. Or he goes in the street and he speaks with the guys, and then he show up the real himself. Yeah. The face, yes. You should try do podcast on psychology. The idea of podcast, I like it. The only things I do believe I should do for podcast is the moment I'm back traveling a little bit, is maybe try to match with people and do the podcast face to face. That's what I think. Because I think podcast from cam to cam, they're not the best, but podcast face to face are the best. You know, you can rent a nice Airbnb for, you know, and get a nice setup and do a nice podcast on the go where you meet that guy. To be honest, now that you told me about that, it's yeah, that's tough, but it's better than video chat, I think. Freaking video chat is a problem to do. A nice podcast from video chat is hard. Yeah, people. I think people are really want to see a fake Rolex in front watching us. You know. Yeah, usually the podcast as well I like to watch are the podcast of face to face. You don't like to watch a podcast of a video chat. Yeah, definitely don't make them too long, or they get too much. Guys, I think I'm done. I honestly stayed longer than I wanted because but it was a fun chat today with you guys. So appreciate each one of you. We've made it more fun. So guys, I wish you the best. See you tomorrow. Today we close a little bit in break even. Let's say make it even red, doesn't matter. I took 2 trades, 1 green, 1 red. This one is not a trade I took. So just a little recap. I took long here using the 41 MEA. I decided from now on to take in the first 15 minutes of the day, I will take 1 trade on the 41 MEA. If it does not happen, or I take the first trade, then I will move to the 101 MEA. I took the first trade, I got stopped out, I moved to the 101 MEA, and I took a trade and I won. It can happen that it's going to be 1-1, 0-1, 1-1. So we accept it. Here, no trade at all. We move on. Peace and love, guys. Have a beautiful time. Take care. Thank you so much. And I love you all. Love you all.